Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to dive into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, the Lenovo Legion Y9000K gaming laptop. This powerhouse device is set to revolutionize the gaming experience, and I can't wait to share all the exciting details with you. Scheduled for release on February 27th in China, Lenovo is set to introduce its latest gaming marvel, the Legion Y9000K 2024. Priced at 29,999 yuan or approximately $4,172, this cutting-edge laptop is poised to redefine gaming experiences with its formidable specifications and innovative features. At the heart of the Legion Y9000K 2024 lies an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, coupled with an NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics card, promising unparalleled performance for even the most demanding games. This formidable combination positions the laptop as a top choice for gamers seeking exceptional speed and graphics quality. One of the standout features of the Legion Y9000K 2024 is its 16-inch mini LED display, boasting a resolution of 3200 by 2000p and a blazing fast refresh rate of 165 Hz. This ensures remarkable visual clarity and smooth gameplay, complemented by a peak brightness of 1200 nits, which guarantees vibrant visuals across various lighting conditions. In terms of storage and memory, the laptop leaves no room for compromise. Equipped with a spacious 2TB 4.0 solid-state drive and a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, it effortlessly handles resource-intensive applications and games. Moreover, the laptop's appearance incorporates forged carbon fiber, not only reducing weight, but also imparting a distinctive aesthetic appeal. Despite its powerful hardware, the Legion Y9000K 2024 maintains a sleek and portable profile, weighing just 2.56 kilograms and measuring between 18.99mm to 22.7mm in thickness. This slim appearance is further enhanced by Lenovo's Frostblade Ultra technology and built-in water cooling system, ensuring optimal thermal management even during extended gaming sessions. Connectivity options abound with the Legion Y9000K 2024, featuring Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and an SD card slot, catering to diverse connectivity needs. Additionally, the laptop supports 140 watts portable rapid charging, enabling quick power-ups for uninterrupted gaming experiences. In summary, Lenovo's Legion Y9000K 2024 sets a new standard for gaming laptops with its potent hardware, stunning display, and innovative features. With its launch imminent, gamers in China can look forward to an unrivaled gaming experience, courtesy of Lenovo's latest offering. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Lenovo Legion Y9000K is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on this incredible gaming laptop right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video and God bless you.